I mean, look around. It's here, it's there, it's everywhere. Wait, how did we get here? With more than 2 billion active users every month and substantially low advertising costs, why aren't you using YouTube to grow your business? I'm Kyle McParland, YouTube Director at Global Social Media Marketing.
And I'm Sarah Hammond, Social Media Marketing Manager with Global's YouTube Department. And we have several reasons for why you should start to create YouTube video content.
While we'd like to share them all with you, we're going to give you our top 3 reasons for using YouTube in 5 minutes or less.
Whoa, are you sure we're gonna have enough time for that?
I think we can do it. Let's find out. YouTube has a massive opportunity for sales. By running video ads and capturing your target audience, you can generate more leads and create more sales for your company. We love running video ads because the costs are ridiculously low, especially due to current events. You can also generate revenue by utilizing the YouTube Partner Program and cards that link directly to your landing pages. More eyeballs on your website equal more opportunities for sales.
YouTube allows you to connect to your customers through video-specific tracking data. Every time you post a video, you can see who views it and how they found the video. Using insights with Google and YouTube Analytics allows us to determine who our actual audience is compared to who we think they are. This takes the guesswork out of our audience targeting while enhancing our subscriber growth.
Now, before we get to our last point, let's take a look at our recent results with our CEO and founder, Benjamin Kepner.
As the CEO and founder of Global Social Media Marketing, I am one of 4,000 Google for Education certified trainers in the world. I also have a number of certifications as adhered by the Google certifications and YouTube certifications available on SkillPath. I also have a number of certifications that you can find on my LinkedIn. I've actually created a YouTube marketing course that's on our YouTube channel that you can watch at Global Social Media Marketing with over 24 individual YouTube videos to show you how to do YouTube successfully yourself. And you can find on our website a landing page that describes how we are able to teach people financially impacted by the current pandemic how to make money on YouTube. This is actually a picture of me as well last year at the Intercon 2019 conference in Las Vegas, where we collected our top 50 technology company award in social media with our innovations within YouTube. I have case studies that I'm happy to pass along to you to see results that we're getting from other clients, as well as a number of reviews that have been written.
Need visibility? We got a client in the travel industry, 8,707 views in 2 weeks. Want leads that convert to sales? We got an e-commerce client, 585 leads in 2 weeks that turned into $7,000 in revenue or a 3 times return on ad spend. Need new customers and fans? We got a nonprofit, 1,600 subscribers in 2 weeks. I can't make these results up, guys.
YouTube and video content allow for the highest degree of brand awareness. If you want to sell your products or services, the audience needs to know and trust your brand. Video content allows for the audience to see you and understand what your company and brand are really about.
The credibility and quality of YouTube videos helps me as a social media marketing manager because I can repost videos from YouTube onto different social media platforms. It's also a bonus for our team and our audiences on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook.
I couldn't have said it better myself. So now that we've covered why we use YouTube, is there any reason that you're missing out on all the money that YouTube makes possible? I mean, look around. It's here, it's there, it's everywhere.
Send us a message if you're interested in learning more about our YouTube services.
And if you're ready to take your business to the stars and beyond, schedule a free discovery call with us by clicking the link below. We'd love to talk with you. That's all the time we have.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more marketing tips.
Thanks for watching!